she somehow made it to the river, to Bug, and she tells me that she crossed Bug in the middle of the night when the river was frozen. So I assume it was December or January of 1941. And of course it was in the middle of the night, and she was scared about being shot either by the Germans or by the Soviets. The sad part of it is that she kept sliding and falling, and carrying a 3-year-old kid who was amused at her falling down. She offered entertain me by giving me to hold some pictures, family pictures, which during her walk through the river I managed to all tear them up. And as a result, I don't have any pictures of my parents or my grandparents, whatever, from before the war. So the earliest pictures that I still retain were pictures of the photographs from the Soviet documents that my mother and my father had. Okay, so that was maybe one of the sad events that I don't have the pictures, but the happy event that I was spared. I was saved.